Hello everyone. My name is Lokesh Agarwal, founder of Ace Consultancy. We are finance experts, deal into property loan and business finance. So we are the DSA with multiple banks and BFCs based in Mumbai. So today I'm going to share my experience with an application which is called Loan Management System (LMS). This application is developed by a company called Think Technologies Private Limited. So I'll tell you the story in brief. Since we have bigger team and multiple franchisee offices, so it becomes important for us to have the control and the access of the entire data, like the status, which buying the cases process, which executive is following up on the cases, like what is the client feedback, what is the requirement, what is the queries. There are so many stuff. So a typical DSA can understand what I am trying to explain. So I was in search of a kind of an application where I can have everything access on my desktop in a single click. So I hired one of the company also for a software development company to make this application, but they failed. They could not deliver what exactly I was looking for. I was fortunate to meet Mr. Vishal Misri from Thinkino Technologies Private Limited. They already had made a software, which is application, which was named as LMS, Loan Management System, which is a perfect name. So after having a demo, I immediately opted for a 1 year subscription. When we worked for 6 to 7 months, we realized that there is a more scope. और भी फीचर्स हैं जो इस सिस्टम में डाले जा सकते हैं. So we had a quick survey, set of question we asked from our bankers, clients as well as staff. And after collating all the data, we again approached to Thinkno. कि boss, I want license version because we want to have our customized features in this application. So we bought the license version, and on two phases we worked with Thinkno for the development, for the enhancement logically I should say, on the application. On a third phase, we are going to work after the lockdown. So things are already noted down what is to be done. So guys, I would like to say that this is not only for the companies who are big in size, having multiple staff or multiple branches. It is not like that. Even if you have 1, 2, 3, 5 staff, or even if you have multiple branches, this application is make your life very easy. So क्या होता है कि in anything if the process is seamless ना, तो ही उसका मजा आता है. So the kind of experience my client has because of this application, the kind of feedback we have received, it was just a wow. So do you imagine starting from your pipeline till not only disbursement but post that also, when you are in touch with your client, like on a some frequency, on some intervals, like giving a reminder about EMIs, giving a reminder about testimonial, asking them the references. So when you are in touch with the client for a long time, he will always remember you. कोई भी धंधा references पे काम करता है. So this application not only help us in streamlining the entire process, but also it helps us to get in touch with the customer in long run, right? Because of which we get many references from the clients. And during this lockdown period, मतलब यहाँ पर ऐसा हुआ कि बॉस, अगर ये एप्लीकेशन नहीं होता मेरे पास में, तो प्रॉब्ली शायद हम कस्टमर की उतनी हेल्प नहीं कर पाते थे. So some customer wanted to go for a moratorium. Some was looking for something else, so they wanted to have their loan account number, their registered email ID. There's so many stuff, you know. So like, if my staff is in office, definitely we can give all the details to the customer whatever they require. But since it's a lockdown, everyone's sitting at home, still because this is a cloud-based application, still we manage to help our client in terms of giving the data whatever they wanted. In fact, we have received a testimonial also from the client, was in this lockdown situation when everyone is sitting at home, your company was capable enough to deliver whatever we wanted. So it's a big thing. One happy customer can give you hundreds of customers, right? So guys, I'll strongly recommend, please go for this application. This is not for like streamlining your process, but it helps you in many ways. So take my words, and sure, I've recently have gone through with the new application which this company has introduced, which is referral management system. I have gone through with the demo, and it is very beautifully designed. It's talk about more like how you can have the hold on your follow-ups with the new clients. So it is simply awesome, and definitely I'm going to look out for that too soon. So thanks for watching this, and once again I'll highly recommend to go for LMS. This will give you peace in your mind. So please go for it. Thanks a lot. Thank you.